Of all of the videos that I've uploaded on my channel, this is by far going to be the most valuable one. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how to find profitable products to buy from Walmart to then resell them back onto Walmart.com, otherwise known as Walmart to Walmart. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Mincis and I'm a 7-figure Walmart seller. I've been selling on the platform since 2019 and I've done over $5 million in sales. Within the past 2 years, I've been able to sell on Walmart while traveling and not touching a single product. And that's by leveraging prep centers as well as Walmart fulfillment services. Now, that's a little bit about me and my business, but who really cares? Let's get into what this video is going to do for you. Now, for context, I recently released my Walmart to Walmart course. Now, don't worry, this video is not about selling you a course or telling you to go ahead and buy more information. If you like this video, then I trust that you'll go ahead and check out the link down below. So there is no pitch in this video. What this video is, it's about taking one of my lessons inside of my course and condensing it into a video to help you get some quick wins for selling on Walmart. In all of my courses, I create actionable step-by-step plans to help you easily navigate the platform and to find profitable products to sell right when getting started. Because I believe you're more likely to stick with something when you see immediate success. So with that said, this video is going to be about 20 minutes long, and I'm going to showcase 3 different product research strategies that you can use to find products to buy from Walmart and to resell back onto Walmart for a profit. In this video, we're also going to be going over exactly which software I use and how to use it. We're also going to be going over how to do product research properly, and most importantly, how to then buy those products to resell them. So make sure that you're sitting somewhere quiet, ready to take notes, and more importantly, ready to take action. Now, if after this lesson you want to check out Walmart Mastery, the link for that again is in the description, but without further ado, let's begin. Hey everyone, welcome to Walmart Mastery and welcome to the product research module. This module is going to be covering different ways that you can buy products from Walmart to resell them onto Walmart, starting with my top 3 methods. Now, before we get into it, I often get asked a couple of frequently asked questions regarding Walmart to Walmart. The first question is buying products from Walmart to sell on Walmart allowed within the terms of service? And the answer to that is yes. Walmart does not have a problem if you're buying products from them, shipping it either to you or a prep center, and then going ahead and shipping it to a customer. They don't like drop shipping, which is against terms of service, but that's not what we're doing here. The other question is, how can I make a profit? Well, there are a couple of different ways, and you're going to see that throughout the product research strategies. I'm going to be showing you how you can find products on Walmart, either selling for a discount or they're selling for full price, that we can then go ahead and to resell at a profitable price. I've had over 70 students take this course, and each of them have been able to go ahead and to implement these product research strategies to find profitable products. So I'm going to stop yapping, and we're going to start off with product research strategy number 1. The first product research strategy that we're going to do is called available for pickup but not shipping. The method here is that we're finding items that are available for pickup within local stores near us, but they're not available within shipping, so Walmart is not going to be able to ship them to customers. So what we're going to do is we can either go ahead, pick it up at a store, or have it delivered to us, and then we can fulfill it to the customers, and we would be the ones available for shipping it out to customers who are local to us or to other customers around the country. In order to do this, I'm going to be utilizing 2 different softwares. These are the only 2 softwares that you need when it comes to product research on Walmart. The first is going to be Pricelink. This is a software that I own and built for Walmart sellers. And the second one is going to be Sellify. Now, what you want to do for this method is you want to head to walmart.com and you want to make sure that you have the Sellify Chrome extension as well as the Pricelink one already loaded up. Both softwares come with a free trial, and again, they're linked down below. So once you're on Walmart, make sure that your location is set, and you want to make sure that it's set to a zip code near you. Now, from here, you're going to go ahead and select a Walmart store, and instead of doing shipping, you're then going to do pickup. What this is going to do is it's now going to show us products inside of the search results that are available for pickup at our local Walmart. Now, we can do this for as many stores as we want around us, but again, once you set it to one store, you're then going to be seeing pickup results that are available from that specific store. So if you're not getting good results, you can always switch it to a different store. From here, you can go ahead and you can just start searching up different keywords or categories. But I really like to start with different categories that are proven and tested for Walmart to Walmart. The first is going to be Squishmallow. So typing in Squishmallow into the search bar, I'm going to go ahead and press it. And from there, it's going to again bring up 61 results. Now, I don't need to do anything. All of these results are available for pickup at my local Walmart. What I'm then going to do is I'm going to skip all of the sponsored ads, and I can show you why by opening one up. And I'm going to come straight down here to the ones that are not sponsored, and I'm going to open them up in another tab. Looking at the next product that we opened, we can actually see that this is available for pickup and it's not available for shipping. Now that we've established that this is not available for shipping, we then need to go ahead and see, is this actually selling? So I see that there's a badge for 50 plus bought since yesterday, indicating that this is actually selling. That badge is also really helpful because there's currently no reviews, so we cannot use reviews in order to determine if this has velocity. From here, let's go ahead and let's take a look at if this is profitable. So we see that it's at $4.97, and if I were to go ahead and sell it at around 15, which is pretty reasonable for this size of a Squishmallow based on what I've sold in the past, I see that I would be making around $4 or almost 80% ROI. So what I can do is I can go ahead and I can buy a couple of units of this and pick it up in store, or I can deliver it to my house or to a prep center and I can resell it back onto the marketplace. Now, just a warning, the Squishmallow brand is gated, and in order to sell it, you are going to need to create a case, but if you want more information about that, there's a video linked down below. Let's take a look at another one. So if we go to this other one that we've pulled out, we see right here that this is also available for pickup and it is not available for shipping. So we can buy it for $13.62. Now, if you see right here, there are actually third-party sellers selling it for $32.95. So let's open up Pricelink and let's see all of those offers. So scrolling down to the offers chart right here, we can see that Walmart is in stock for $13.62. They have a quantity of 6. Now, their quantity actually did jump up, not by much, but they have 4 units. And if we take a look at all the other sellers, so all of them mostly have like 1 unit, 2 unit right here, but they're all at $32.95, $32.95 right here. So they're mostly at around 33. So if we go ahead and we were to sell it at $32.95, we would make about $5.50 in profit or 40% ROI. So as you can see, there's a ton of profit in these items, and what we're doing is we're finding again items that are in stock in store where Walmart has them at a local store near us, and these items are out of stock for shipping around the country. So these make really good items to go ahead and get a couple of units. You're not going to be able to get hundreds of these units, but you can go ahead and find them, and they also have pretty low competition as you saw, so they make really good products to start out with. Another strategy that we're going to be using is called Walmart out of stock. So this is where we're going to be finding items where Walmart is currently out of stock, and we can either buy it from a local store or we can buy it from a competing retailer like Amazon. So what we're going to do is we're going to head to Pricelink, and then we're going to head to the dashboard. So once you sign up and you create an account, you're then going to see your dashboard. And from there, you can press the product finder. The product finder allows you to access our database of over 5 million products and to sort them in any way that you want. So from the product finder, I can then add a filter, and I'm going to add a very simple filter. I'm going to scroll down to where it says Walmart out of stock, and I'm then going to press yes. Now Pricelink is showing me all of these products where Walmart is out of stock. So as you can see, we're going to have over 40,000 results, and all of these products are out of stock by Walmart. Now we can also filter for the number of sellers so that we can find products that actually don't have any third-party sellers, or vice versa, that they do have third-party sellers so that we know third-party sellers can sell them. Starting out with a very simple one, let's go ahead and again, take a look at one of my favorite brands, this Squishmallow. So I see that Walmart is currently out of stock, and they were at $21.72. Let's go ahead and open it in store. Now Walmart is currently out of stock, and this item seems to not be available for pickup. So what we can do is we can go ahead and take a look on Google, and we can see if we can find it. So we see it was available on Walmart. We see that it might be at Michael's. It is on Amazon, it looks like, the 16-inch, but it looks like it's available for $50. So a little bit outside of our budget. Let's go ahead and let's open it up and take a look at the item on Michael's. So opening it up on Michael's, I see this is actually the wrong item. So let's go back. Now, it doesn't look like we can go ahead and get this item. So let's go back to the product research finder and let's open another one. So we're going to open this one right here. And if you just want to go straight to Walmart, you can actually click right here on the shopping icon or on the title, and it's going to pull it up right here. So we see this one was $12, and there are no other third-party sellers, and this one's currently out of stock. So I can go ahead and I can check nearby locations. So let's do that, check nearby. I see this is not available, so let's move on to the next one. And similar as before, I can also go ahead and I can take a look on Amazon. I can check Target, see if I can find that product at any other retailer to potentially sell it on Walmart. So here's an example of an item that Walmart is currently out of stock on. This is Elmer's school glue. Now, if I take a look, this is actually not available for pickup, but I'm pretty sure that we can go ahead and find this either at Target or at another retailer. And if we take a look at the Pricelink history, we can see that Walmart was selling it for roughly $175 until they hopped off earlier today, and they did hold 100% of the buy box. So we can go ahead and we could potentially sell this school glue for like $9 or $10, but that's how I go ahead and I research products where Walmart is out of stock, and then I find them to resell. The third and final strategy is going to be Walmart low in stock. Saving the best for last, these are products where Walmart has a low amount of stock, and we can go ahead and see how many units the items are actually selling, and if it looks like Walmart is going to sell out and the data on Pricelink shows that Walmart is slowly going down, we can go and buy the rest of Walmart stock to resell it back onto the listing. So heading back to that Squishmallow that we had originally looked at, we can see that this item, if we take a look at how many units Walmart has in stock, we see that they currently have 14 units, and all the other sellers have 1 unit right here and 1 unit right here. So let's take a look at the Pricelink data. Now, if we take a look at the stock chart on Pricelink, we can see that Walmart has actually had around 20 for roughly the past month. So it doesn't look like they're going down. So this is not something that I would currently buy, even though Walmart has a low stock level. We see right here that they've had 20 for the past month, and it doesn't look like they're diminishing. So instead, what I can do is I can come to Pricelink, I can import this product to a list, and then I can set an alert. When I set an alert on an item on Pricelink, I'm then telling Pricelink to go ahead and check this product every 30 minutes, and whenever it changes, it's then going to send me an email. So let me show you how to do that in action. I'm going to scroll down right here and click alerts, and then I'm going to press create alert. From there, I'm going to do field, and then I'm going to do Walmart stock. Then I'm going to say send me an alert when there is any change. So now whenever Walmart lowers from 20 units down to 19, I'm going to get an alert. Or vice versa, if they raise from 20 up to 22 or 23, I'm also going to get an alert. You can also go ahead and you can put notes right here if you want to stay notified or you want to write any details. And then I'm going to press create an alert. And then again, Pricelink is going to go out every 30 minutes, check this item, and it's going to send me an email whenever it sees a change. The reason this is so powerful is because you can set these alerts on tens of different items, and even though they might not be a good lead now, they could be a good lead in the future. Another way that you can find these items is you can come to the product finder again, and you can actually filter by the total number of stock. So let's go ahead and let's reset the filters, then come down right here, and we can do total stock, and then we can do is lower than, and let's say 50, and let's use custom value, and then is Walmart on the listing? So Walmart out of stock? No. So now we're saying that Walmart is a seller, Walmart is not out of stock, and the total amount of units on the listing is less than 50. From there, we can go ahead and we can filter through all these items and see that Walmart is on them. So again, Squishmallow, I just like Squishmallow. That's why it's down there. I mean, who doesn't like Squishmallow? They're so fluffy. But back to the task at hand, we have them right here. So we see this quantity is 23. So this would be a really good item to set an alert for because we can buy it for $14.88 and we can sell it for $34.95 as we see these third-party sellers on here on this listing. Scrolling down through the product finder, we have tons of these leads where Walmart is still in stock with a couple of units and they are slowly going out of stock. And again, with Pricelink, you can actually take a look at the product data and you can see all of the stock levels. So this item we have not been tracking for that long, but if we come down to other items, let's scroll down and we can even go a little bit more in depth and we can add a filter for different badges. So we can say, show us items that are actually bestseller or other criteria like that. So filtering for the bestseller badge, we're going to say yes. And now all of these items have less than 50 units in stock. Walmart is on the listing and they're bestseller. From there, we can go ahead and we can open up the items. We can also take a look at the data on Pricelink. So taking a look at these historical charts, we see Walmart was at $24.97, then Walmart was out of stock, then Walmart was at $24.97, then Walmart was out of stock, and third-party sellers have actually won the buy box as we see right here. So scrolling down to the stock chart, we see Walmart kind of hops in with around 18, then they're out of stock, hops in with 23, then goes out of stock, and now they currently have 23. So this is, again, a really decent item to where if we buy it and Walmart goes out of stock, we can actually raise the price right here. You'll see it selling for $40. So these are the types of items that I'm looking for when Walmart is low in stock, and we can go ahead, buy a couple of units, sell it either when they sell out or when they go ahead and they're off the listing and then they might come back, but we can go ahead and we can sell out during that time. So that's going to be it for this lesson. I hope that you were able to get something new out of it and to put it into your arsenal of product research strategies and things that you use within your daily business. Now, if you're serious about growing your Walmart business and doing so through proven methods and strategies, be sure to go ahead and to check out the Walmart to Walmart course down below. I've had over 75 different students join this program, and each one of them has found success, with some of them doing over 10K in sales within their first month doing Walmart to Walmart. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.